Lotus Evija, model 76907, and it is for 8 and but I'm still 6 years old, but I'm going to try it. This is what it looks like in the front, and this one looks like in the back.
Ta-da!
My Lotus car is complete. I have built it already, and also here's the character. I'll put it inside. Wait, I'll put this here.
That's the driver.
Yeah. Wait.
RK completed the speed champion, Lotus
It
Evija.
was still for 8, but I can do it.
Yeah, the 6-year-old can do it.
Yeah. Here's the hair.
Oh, if you're not using the helmet,
Yeah. I'm gonna put it inside.
okay. Can you describe your car?
Yeah.
Sige nga, describe mo.
These are the wheels, and also there are different styles. One in the star or starfish, and
You can change the wheels
yeah.
using this, okay?
And also here's the original one.
Oh, just like the picture on the box. Huh?
Yeah.
It's the
The
same.
doors can't open. The doors can't open.
Yeah, cannot.
And this one is the engine.
Cover of the engine.
Yeah.
What's this?
Huh?
What you call that? Spoiler.
Spoiler.
Describe the backside.
This is the light.
Lights, yeah. Where are the mufflers? This one?
Yeah.
The yellow one? Okay.
These are the lights.
Printed, no? Headlights.
Yeah.
And RK put the stickers by herself,
Yeah.
including this side.
And also this side.
Good job.
Thank you.
Are you happy?
Yay.
Huh?
This is mine. This is mine.
Okay.
This is mine.
Let's put it in the display rack later.
I'm gonna put it here.
In your Lego City?
Yeah.
Does it fit there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Good job.